don't know if I'm gonna get my bike out of there. We're good, rock and roll. Doing my best to keep up with Scott, chase him down. He doesn't know I'm chasing him though, so I have that advantage. Alright, now I'm gonna try to catch Rory. They're stopping. Oh, it's way shallow now. No, not really. Of course I stalled. Nope. Come on. You're not going down there. After that, it's all easy. There's nothing else on this trail.
Cool. Sometimes you guys freaking psych me out. Yo, hey, and I'm like, oh shit.
That trail's awesome, right? What? That trail's awesome, right?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, dang it. You saw it though, it was looking good. 3 and 17, Black Diamond. This is it. Oh. Come on. Keep with it. I think we found White Mountain. I think so. It feels like this is it. There we go. Oh, that was the stupidest tip over. Stupid! Huh? I just fell over, my boot got stuck on my peg. Holy cow. Oh, you bastard. I know, I got way sideways, sorry. Where was the hard part? I didn't see the hard part. There you go. Keep on it, keep on it, keep on it, keep on it. Oh. Dude, this is steep. Oh man, this is really steep. There's another trail that goes down below here. I don't know if I'm gonna get my bike out of there. Oh, ow, that sucked. Stuck under the bike. Got it. Whew.
Like you stopped. This is what we all stopped.
Yeah. You made it up higher.
Huh?
You made it up the highest.
Did I?
Yeah. You're up there.
Okay. It is so freaking new.
Yeah. Nope. Arms are completely pumped, dude. I can't freaking do this.
Slide it down and go around the other.
Yeah. Well, I think that was White Mountain. Very cool. First run. Couldn't make it up that little optional hill climb, but oh well. It flattens out right here. I know, I can feel it. I'm gonna stop right here where it's flat. I felt it go. Sorry. We weren't intentionally wanting to park like a had to do with a flat tire. Are you the last one? Idiot. Did you see that?
Hey, at the start, people doubted I would make it this far, but I'm proving them wrong. Everybody criticized and they hated on me, but I just stayed strong. And no matter what I heard them tell me, it didn't change my mind. I'm still pushing hard, working hard daily. I'm in a race with always giving it effort at night. I'm always restless, this music's a life sentence. Perfecting my craft in seconds, the essences of the earth used to make the world turn. People earn was not deserved, while the weak get knocked down. Got people losing their health, this evil's making me mad. I hope I make my father proud, devote my life to writing raps. I hope I'm on the right path, spending years of my life dead I could never take back. I lost friends in the process, they disappeared like magic. Put all my eggs in one basket and all they said I was average. Fucking went after something that they couldn't see. And know I'm on my way to being what they said I wouldn't be. So nod your head to the beat if you ever had a dream and everybody else around you just never seemed to believe. That sound exactly like me, I was right in your position. So listen close what I'm saying, don't ever give up your visions on the real.
At the start people doubted I would make it this far, but I'm moving them wrong. Everybody criticized and they hated on me, but I just stay strong. And no matter what I heard them tell me, it didn't change my mind. I'm still pushing on, working hard daily. I'm in a race with time.
All these thoughts in my head are brought to the pen. The ink linking while I'm thinking, mind lost in the wind.
Pretty cool, huh?
Alone, house empty, getting under my skin. I just don't know why y'all envy my life, cause it ain't shit but I'm predictable days. I hope it's all just a phase. The rays of the sun ain't shining when I ain't seeing your face. The good life don't even taste good, it's such a waste. That's my face, someone tell me the way. There's some things I'm a lost soul walking. So please conceive a portion in this world that I'm lost in. I'm alone more than often. My soul is in the darkness, but I'm searching for the light. Always doing wrong, but I'm out here searching for the right. And I even lost sight of my visions for a second. But that's just another lesson that I reckon will help me reach my successes. A lot, I'm still building my path, regardless of what I go through. I'm still gonna reach the top, try to stop me.
Everybody criticized.
Can he back up a little bit before he gets committed on that? We'll pass through.
And no matter what I heard them tell me,
Oh, it's all built up now. Thanks, man. Nice. Oh, woo, he stuck it. All right. I thought you were losing that one. Did you see where they had all the logs and rocks and crap? That's the step off. That's not supposed to be there. They freaking built that. They built that way up.
I'm glad it was there.
Yeah. Stalled! Stupid stall!